You never take out 24 pieces of chicken if you're going to use 3, unless you have refrigeration in your production area. And the reasoning for that is if you have 24 chicken on the counter, you're only going to use 6. You're preparing 6, you get called away, your product's 6 on the counter, and it will definitely lift in temperature, and it may be temperature contaminated. So you need to be very careful with that. Once you get through that and you prepare your chicken, whether it be boning, skinning, chopping, it needs to go directly into a refrigerated site to make sure that it stays in the 41-degree range. Once you've done that, you're ready to go into production. There are many different types of cutting boards you can use, but traditionally we're seeing the plastics in the restaurants, and it's a great idea. There are a number of colors of cutting boards based on what you're using them for. You've got yellow for chicken, you've got blue for fish, you've got green for vegetables. You need to follow the HACCP rules on that. A wood cutting board is probably not the answer in most food service situations. If you're a bakery only, that would be fine, but any raw foods with any moisture, move away from the wood and go to the plastics. These have to be washed and sterilized after each use. When you go from chicken to beef to lettuce to whatever, each cutting board needs to go to the sink, go through the correct procedure of washing, rinsing and sanitizing, and air drying before you can use them again.